Hello aviators, today we are unboxing this A350-1000 Virgin Atlantic 1:2 400 scale. And it's a Phoenix model, yeah, as you can see here. And yeah, that's maybe all into the introduction. I can't think of anything else for the introduction. So let's get to the unboxing. Alright, let's see this plane. Alright, let's go. Ooh, overall it's so nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, okie dokie, there. Okay, so as you can see, there's the metallic shade of red for the engines, both engines, and then the wingtips, and then the tail, which is what I love about Virgin Atlantic. And the gears do tilt, but like not that much. Well, yeah, but it still tilts. It's so nice though. It's still okay. It's fine. And that's the Rolls-Royce logo for the engines. And let's see if the gears roll. So far, all of these roll. Now the other one. This one doesn't roll too much. But yeah, this one also rolls. Overall, nice model. And the Virgin Atlantic logo underneath the plane. The flag of England. Is that England? I think so. Yeah, here's the registration number. I don't think you can see it. I'm just gonna show it here. It's this one. What does it say? GVPRO. That's the registration number for this plane. And yeah, that's pretty much all for today. And yeah, bye. Thanks for watching.